So what do I mean by independent? Independent, when I talk about being independent, I mean that I am not connected to anything else, that I am not under the influence of anything else, that I can act without any relation to something else. So that's, I mean, what being independent means for me. And it is always a false quality, because nothing can possibly be independent. This is the pointer of the teaching, that we are all connected. The very possibility of independence is the illusion. So often the notion of independence is associated with freedom. And so, and of course, freedom is a positive or a desirable state. And so when you begin to recognize that you are not independent, then the fear is that you are not free. But in large measure, it is a matter of definition of what we mean by free. One of the biggest objections that you will hear to this teaching is exactly this, that if I am if I am not independent, then I'm a puppet. But the very concept of being a puppet is that you are a separated entity that has a quality of independence, and yet you are being manipulated. So it's paradoxical. The pointer of this teaching is to look at what we are and to recognize that we are, in fact, part of a vast wholeness, a unity, a oneness. And you can say we are free within the context of this unity. The unity can do anything. The wholeness, there has no limitation whatsoever. And that's the ultimate freedom. Anything can happen.